Yeah, it's currently 1 o'clock right now. Just getting ready to trade. Pairs we're looking at right now are GU, NAS, and gold. And then obviously I'm looking at the gold futures chart as well, see if we get any setups on there. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys for too long, but yeah, let's just get straight into the video. If I see any setups, you'll see in there later on in the video anyway. Don't know if you guys can see here, but didn't really want to take it because it's counter trend. It won, got 1 to 1. I'm waiting for this demand zone below. A 1 to 2 would be about here, just under there. So I'm waiting for this demand zone to give me an entry, but I'll let you guys know. I was gonna take this, but because it's the first trade of the week, didn't really want to take any risk. Want to kind of follow the trend, but yeah, if we do get a trade, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, as you can see, would have hit 1 to 2, pushing down now. Obviously 1 to 2 is right here, but I think it's just a bit just above 1 to 2. So the tap 1 to 2, that would have been a clean trade for the morning, would have been off already. Been on the markets for about 1 hour and 10 minutes, but like I said, once we tap into this zone, hopefully it gives us an entry, and keep you guys updated. If you guys can see, but yeah, we took a trade. Could have really not taken it because news, we literally got our entry right by news. If you guys can see this, but yeah, we got tapped out literally straight away. So we're down about £90 for the day, but we'll go again tomorrow, taking no more trades because now we've lost. But no, my luck, it'll tap us out and go the way we want it to go, but nothing I can do, it is what it is. We took a loss earlier today, really because of news, so moving forward, I don't know if you guys can see this here. Moving forward, I'm just not going to trade news because news is just too risky and I don't really want to risk my capital with news right now, I'll be real. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me delete this one first. Took a quick loss, it was a mad fake out, but obviously news, this is how news moves. Took this trade just now, just trying it out, seeing if it works. And we took this and we got a quick 1 to 3.5. I think I got out about here, just below these highs here. And it was quick. We came into drawdown a little bit down here. If you guys can see, we came into drawdown a little bit down here. But then we smacked all the way up to TP. So today, we took the loss on the demand and then we took this. So we are up a little bit today. Nothing crazy, but basically a break-even day on Forex today. But then I saw this setup on our futures. Still got a little bit of money in my futures account. So I was thinking I might as well take this trade here. Didn't get invalidated. See, I'll zoom in a bit for you guys. Yeah, didn't get invalidated. Got a little entry there and we boomed up in about 10 minutes. Made $100 on this trade on my account over here. If you guys can see right there, it says total profit for the day, 97.92. Cool, we're currently in on this trade right now on NAS. I'm probably gonna aim for these highs up here. Yeah, we'll see. Got an aggressive entry, it's looking like a good entry right now. Yeah, I'm probably gonna target, look at these highs here. Put my sell limit, these highs up here. Oh, pressing a lot of things. A lot of volume in the market right now, I'm guessing because the news is close. But yeah, let's just see what happens, man. Clean, 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 clean. Clean, clean, clean. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right there, we're right there.
Order filled.
What a trade. What a trade. What a trade, man. Easy, quick. We was in that trade for about 5. I don't even know. You just saw how close it's in that trade, man. We took an L today on Forex. I'll go through that trade a bit later, but we took an L today on Forex and we have just won on futures. I took on Tuesday, recording it the next day, but yeah. So obviously from these highs, we was creating lower lows. We pushed up, then we made this supply zone up here. It's got a little gap here. But now looking back on it, it was a counter trend trade, but now looking back on it, I should have seen that we was creating higher highs and we wasn't breaking the lows, so I shouldn't have really taken this. But if I let it play out, we ended up tapping into the zone. I waited for a breaker candle, which we got there, and then we got tapped out straight away. So if I place my entry here, my stops would have went there. Would have targeted 1 to 1, which would have been about here. And yeah, we got tapped out literally straight away. So This is why it's good to look back on your trades, because now looking back, like I said, we broke structure here, we broke structure here. Yes, we did come down here, but we didn't break this low here, so we're still in the uptrend. So even though there was a supply zone here, this is kind of a low probability setup because it's not with the trend, if that makes sense. So, but yeah, I just wanted to go through this loss that I took on Tuesday. Alright, cool. So we are currently in this trade on gold right now, futures, for about $2 right now. This is about a one, just over a 1-to-1, maybe even just under a 1-to-2. It's like just under 1-to-2. $2 right now, so see what happens. Just keep going, and we'll see what happens, man. See how it plays out. Cool, starting to push, which is blessed. Might even put this mic on here to make it a bit easier so I haven't got to hold it. Thinking, do I close this early? Because that's 3 wicks back to back. As soon as I got my entry, we got a wick there, wick there, wick there. Yeah, GG's in the chat, man. Yeah, I think it's just over $50 we're gonna lose. It's coming close.
Stop filled.
Order filled. I just wanted to show you this NAS trade that we didn't take because I trade between like 12:30 and 5. 12:30 to 1 to 5 basically, between them times, and I didn't want to take this because this gave us an entry at around 12:10, so I could have jumped on a bit early, but I don't really like, I like to stick to my rules. But this was a clean ass trade because this was a 5-minute demand. We also have a 15-minute demand here. Literally, it's quite big zone, but we still have a 15-minute demand, and we've also got our demand as well. As you can see here, from here, draw your lines here, we've got our demand, and obviously the next supply zone's up here, so we could have even targeted higher, which I think would be about here. And yeah, and it's probably gonna hit it, but that would have been a clean 1-to-4. Would have been clean, super clean, but obviously I just don't get on the charts that early. But maybe I'll do some back testing and see if we can maybe get on the charts from 12 to 5. But yeah, nah, it's a super clean trade, man. I normally target 1-to-1. We would have got that straight away. 1-to-2 would have been clean as well. Obviously we pulled back a little bit, but we would have smacked it. And then this is the real targets from the hour supply, which is about here. Super clean. But yeah, I didn't take the trade, but I just wanted to show you. Go. I didn't even get to show you the start of this trade, but we had a buy limit here, got a stop loss under, pushing up. I'm probably going to leave a runner on this trade. Hopefully we get a 1-to-1. That's not a nice rejection, but obviously we're staying in anyway. We pushed up nicely from it. We got a nice rejection from the zone anyway. 1-to-1's about here. So I'm probably going to close one position. I don't know if you guys can see here, but we got buy limits. We got a buy limit on GU, or sell limit on GU, and we got 2 buys on NAS. I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah, it's there. And yeah, we're probably going to close one position at a 1-to-1, which is about here. And then probably leave a runner, move the other position that I've got, the smaller position, to BE, and just let that play out. And we'll probably target these highs up here, which will be like a 1-to-4. So yeah, but we'll see. We'll see. Naz has been giving out some good trades recently, so. we're targeting these highs really. Came down, tapped here, got an aggressive entry. Now my stop loss is break even. So this is a risk-free trade, man. This is a risk-free trade right now. Obviously, we're finding a bit of reaction from this supply zone here, but I ain't worried, man. I got faith in this. Yeah, man. Just gonna wait and see what happens. Like I said, it's risk-free now, so I don't mind if it comes back down. We still took some profits off the table, and yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, we got tapped out. GG's, man. That was a good Thursday. I'm gonna get off the charts today. So we took a win on our Forex account. I might wait for GU, but it just depends. But I might just get off the charts today and just call it a day. But yeah, we took today, I think we're up about, yeah, so we're up about £75 made today. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll zoom it in a little bit for you. £75 made today. But I'll put a screenshot in anyway. But if I do take the GU trade, I'll let you guys know. But I might call it a day anyway, so I'll see you guys on Friday. Cool, so it's currently Friday, and we didn't end up taking a trade on Friday. We didn't see any setups. So overall, I would say this week has been a positive week. We made about, if I add up all the trades and all the losses, we made about £203.87p. So if you ask me, it's a positive week, so that's a good week. If you like this type of video, just make sure you comment, subscribe and leave a like, and thank you for tuning in.